Okay, so I wanted to go over exactly what is philosophy because I know a lot of you are taking this because it meets a requirement, and you may not actually know what philosophy is or even the definition of philosophy. So, philosophy literally means love of wisdom, and it begins with wonder about our most basic beliefs. So, really, what philosophy is about is to take the fundamental questions of our world and ask those questions and come up with reasonable and argumentative answers. So, what I mean by that is if you've ever asked someone if they believe abortion is right or wrong, normally people have an immediate response to that question. However, when you ask them why they believe it's right or wrong, many times they will stutter and they have no idea why they actually have that belief. In philosophy, we discuss why we have those beliefs and we argue and create reasoning behind those beliefs. So, yes, you will be doing a lot of writing in this class and a lot of reading of philosophy. So, philosophy is critical and rational examination of the most fundamental assumptions that underlie our lives, an activity of concern to men and women of all cultures and race. So, basically, we ask the big questions, and I'm going to go ahead and warn you I don't actually give you answers. So I give you what the philosophers have said. I'll give you what the psychologists have said in different branches of all types of educations. However, I can't definitely tell you an answer. Now, sometimes that is very frustrating for students. However, let's admit it, most of the things that we ask in our real lives, we don't actually have an answer to them. Okay, so just get used to it. Three main fields of philosophy are epistemology and metaphysics and ethics. In this class, we're going to focus on epistemology and metaphysics. Since we offer an ethics class, we're going to save that for that class. So epistemology deals with the questions of knowledge. And this is actually going to be the first question that we ask in Module 2. It's what is knowledge? How do we come to have knowledge? And well, is there knowledge? So we're going to be questioning that first thing. Then we're going to skip over to metaphysics, and this is the question of what is reality? You all know that we're essentially trapped inside of our own subjective views, and as a result, everyone can be watching the same video, as everyone in the class will watch this video. However, when they leave this video, they may or may not have the same idea of what this class is going to be about, even though they literally did watch the same video. So the reality is different for each person based on their psychological background. Then we're going to go into the nature of the mind. We're going to be discussing how does the mind interact with the body. And the last topic we're going to have is what is the self. So we're going to go over personal identity. And that'll basically be the whole class. It's going to be divided into those three sections. Like I said, it's the nature of philosophy. There's going to be a lot of reading and there's going to be a lot of writing. However, I'm going to allow you guys to make videos as well because I know the writing gets a little monotonous at times. So, yeah,